Welcome to Learning with Maliha. Today's video is all about groundhogs. Groundhogs, also called whistlepigs, woodchucks, and land beavers. Do you know about the Groundhog Day? Let's start with it. In the United States, there is a holiday called Groundhog Day. It is celebrated on February 2 of every year. This day involves a groundhog named Punxsutawney Phil in Pennsylvania. If Phil sees his shadow, it means 6 more weeks of winter. If not, it signals an early spring. This tradition, which roots in the ancient Europe weather lore, has become a fun event now, bringing communities together with a touch of humor and anticipation. Here is a poem about Groundhog Day. Groundhogs can be found across much of the Canada and eastern United States. They are the largest marmot species in the range, weighing about 5 to 15 pounds and measuring 16 to 26 inches long. The fur of the groundhogs is very thick. It is of different shades of brown. Most of the groundhogs have feet that are a shade darker than rest of their body. Lifespan of a groundhog. On an average, when in forest, groundhogs have a lifespan of 6 years. The average lifespan being 2 to 3 years. If they are kept captive, then sometimes they tend to live up to 14 years. Habitat of groundhog. Groundhogs are generalist species that can be found in a variety of habitats including open clearing, woodland edges, roadsides, fields, and riparian areas. The groundhog is a rodent. It is also called a woodchuck. It belongs to the group of ground squirrels. Those squirrels are also known as marmots. Burrows. Groundhogs dig tunnels and live underground. Groundhog holes called burrows. Burrows are easy to recognize. They are holes about 9 inches wide, which usually have large piles of dirt and rocks at the entrance. Groundhogs are excellent burrowers, using burrows for sleeping, rearing young, and hibernating. Every single hole may have tunnels, which lead to as many as 10 other holes. The tunnels are very large and can have chambers, like rooms, in them. Groundhogs can make their homes under trees, around buildings, and in open fields. Diet of groundhog. Mostly herbivores, groundhogs eat primarily the wild grasses and other vegetations, including berries and agricultural crops when available. In early spring, dandelion and clotspot are important groundhog food items. Groundhogs also occasionally eat grubs, grasshoppers, insects, snails, and other small animals. Hibernation mode. All the groundhogs are true hibernators. As the weather changes and it becomes colder, they go into the dormant state and in hibernation mode. When they are in this mode, their body temperature and heart rate falls drastically. This hibernation mode of the groundhog continues from late fall until late winter or early spring. During this time, they can stay alive for almost 150 days without eating anything. Predators of groundhog. Wolves, coyotes, dogs, foxes, bobcats, lynx, and black bears are the predators of groundhogs. Birds of prey and snakes also hunt and eat groundhogs. Motionless individual alert to danger will whistle when alarmed to warn other groundhogs. Fun facts about groundhogs. Groundhogs belong to the group of ground squirrels. They are very intelligent, quite adapts to the social interactions and live underground. The most important body part of the groundhog is his teeth. They are very sharp and are very long. Groundhogs are diurnals. Groundhogs are always active during the day. They sleep during the night. They feed mostly in the early morning or late afternoons and then sleep during the night. During hibernation, a groundhog curls into the lifeless ball and goes off to sleep for a long time, roughly around 3 months. Here is the activity for you. Can you unscramble this word into correct word? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.